Hello students, good morning. Let's start today's class. Dear student, today we will discuss about the remaining part of chapter 1 and then after we will start the new lesson that will be chapter 2. So let's see. Answer in one or two words. Here in this section you have to write your answer in one or two words. First one is the planet furthest from the sun. फर्स्ट वन इज द प्लैनेट फर्देस्ट फ्रॉम द सन मीन्स कौन सा ऐसा प्लैनेट है जो सन से दूर है सबसे ज़्यादा. बेटा 8 planets are there in the solar system. Earlier 9 planets are there, but now only 8 planets are there. Okay, so the furthest planet name is Neptune. So your answer will be Neptune here. Furthest planet is Neptune. Next is huge ball of very hot gases. What is called a huge ball of very hot gases? That will be Sun. Sun is called a very huge ball of hot gases. Next is the fixed path on which a planet moves around the sun. What is called the fixed path on which a planet moves around the sun? Means कौन सा रास्ता है जिसपे कि प्लैनेट्स मूव करते हैं चारों तरफ? दैट इज कॉल्ड ऑर्बिट. द पाथ इज कॉल्ड ऑर्बिट. द पाथ इज कॉल्ड ऑर्बिट. नेक्स्ट इज द Portuguese sailor who proved that the earth is round. Here you have to write the name of that Portuguese sailor who proved that the earth is round. Many times I had discussed about it. So answer will be Ferdinand Magellan. Ferdinand Magellan was the sailor who proved that the earth is round. Next is our nearest neighbor means हमारा जो सबसे नज़दीकी जो पड़ोसी है वो क्या है? द मून. The moon is our nearest neighbor. So keep in mind all these questions. It may be important for your exam. And next chapter is studying the earth, maps and globes. Dear student, maps and globe we have already discussed about it. So let's see the first of all the spot check. As we do in every lesson, spot check is very important for you. Spot check, fill in the blanks. We need to rotate the dash to see the other half. We need to rotate the dash. Which thing we rotate? To see the other half of the earth? Answer will be globe. Next is a dash is a drawing of the earth. A dash is a drawing of the earth. What is a drawing of the earth? A map. A map is a drawing of the earth. Next is a dash shows prominent landmarks. Which thing shows the prominent landmarks? That is called sketch. Next is there are dash cardinal direction. Cardinal direction means, yes, I had told you when I explaining this lesson, cardinal direction means very important direction. Cardinal direction means very important or most important direction. So there are how many cardinal direction? Yes, student, there are four cardinal direction. There are four cardinal directions. Next one is we will discuss about the word bank of this lesson. In this lesson, few word banks are here that we will discuss about it. First one is equator, an imaginary line that divides the earth into two equal parts. Imaginary line, dear student, I had told you about it. Just suppose it is the earth and this is equator 0 degree. It is equator and this equator divides the earth into two equal halves. The northern part is called northern hemisphere and the southern part is called southern hemisphere. So keep in mind about it. Equator, an imaginary line that divides the earth into two equal parts. Equator is an imaginary line that divides the earth into two equal parts. Next is landmark, an important building. Landmark, beta, when we move from anywhere in search of something, what we asked, what is the landmark? मतलब बेटा अगर हम कहीं जाते हैं तो हम लोग क्या पूछते हैं, कैसे आना है, कहाँ जाना है. वहाँ का एक मेन बिल्डिंग या मेन कोई ऐसी जगह होती है जहाँ पे जो कि वहाँ पे सिर्फ एक होती है और वो कॉमन होती है. जैसे स्कूल है अपना, स्कूल में लैंडमार्क अगर हम बताएंगे तो क्या बताएंगे बेटा? प्रिंसिपल ऑफिस. प्रिंसिपल ऑफिस इज़ अ लैंडमार्क फॉर द स्कूल. In Agra, if people wants to visit Agra, nearby the Agra, so their landmark will be Taj Mahal. So keep in mind. Landmark, an important building, object or feature that can be easily seen from a distance, जो कि बहुत दूर के डिस्टेंस से भी देखा जा सकता है या उसको फाइंड आउट किया जा सकता है. Next is cardinal. What is called cardinal? Cardinal, beta, I had discussed about it here when I am telling this questions answer. Cardinal, most important. Cardinal means होता है most important, सबसे महत्वपूर्ण या main, you can say. Next is continent. Any of the world's mainland masses. Any of the world mainland masses, for example Asia and Europe. Yes student, here one thing that I want to tell you, land masses. बेटा मास का मतलब क्या होता है? मास मीन्स होता है ग्रुप. मास का मतलब क्या होता है? Here masses means group. Group of land. Group of land means a big land that is connected with each other. That part of land will be called continents, for example Asia and Europe. In one continent many countries are there, so keep in mind. Next and last one is ocean. What is ocean? A very large body of water. A very large body of water is called ocean. What is ocean? Ocean is a very large body of water. So it's all about our today's class, and in next class we will discuss about the remaining things. So keep in mind, and ask the other your friends to do the comment in comment box. If they are not going to comment in comment box, they will be considered as absent. So it is very important task for you and for every student, because we are maintaining your absentee record regularly as it is maintained in school. Here we are maintaining your attendance record, so it is not the useless work. So keep in mind and do the proper comment in comment box by writing your name, class and section, and revise all the things properly, and be careful about your health and hygiene. Thank you.